An incorporated company may be a company. Answer D. All of the above. Pre-incorporation contracts are entered into by. Answer C. Promoters. The process of incorporation of a company is carried out by. Answer C. Promoters. Which of the following is true about pre-incorporation contract? Answer D. All of the above. What is known as charter of a company? Answer A. MOA. Which one of the following statement is false? Answer C. A company can be created without incorporation. The certificate of incorporation is conclusive evidence that. Answer D. All of the above. Which documents to be filled with the registrar of company for incorporation? Answer D. All of the above. The minimum number of members that required while you are registering a public company is. Answer B. 7. Which of the following documents is compulsory for incorporation of a company? Answer A. Memorandum of Association. How many purpose name of a company have to be submitted by ROC at the time of incorporation? Answer C. 6. On registration, the ROC will issue a certificate of incorporation in form. Answer B. INC 11. After registration, what status company acquires? Answer D. Artificial judicial person. A company is said to have been registered when. Answer B. When the certificate of incorporation has been issued. A company incorporated by the Act of the Parliament is. Answer A. Statutory company. Application for approval of name of a company is to be made to. Answer A. Registrar of Companies. Which of the following is probably the most important reason for incorporating? Answer A. Limited liability of shareholders. Which of the following is not filed to the registrar at the time of incorporation? Answer D. Prospectus. The promoters have to submit how many proposed name to ROC for selecting a name for a company? Answer D. 6. Pre-incorporation contract is also known as. Answer B. Preliminary contract. Promoters is a person who. Answer D. All of the above. Legal position of a promoters of a company is. Answer C. Fiduciary position. The common seal of a company should have. Answer D. All the above. Power to use official seal of a company outside India is to be authorized by. Answer A. Article of Association. As per the Companies Act 2013, both private and public companies having share capital board to obtain dash to start business. Answer B. Certificate of commencement. In case of private companies, MOA must be signed by. Answer B. 2 subscribers. In case of public companies, MOA must be signed by. Answer D. 7 subscribers.